Hi there, today on You Can Change Vegan, we're making these tofu satay skewers that are great to take to a barbecue, or you could serve them with rice or a salad to make it a meal. Tear the firm tofu into chunks, and then it's time to make the satay marinade. To a bowl or mini chopper, add brown sugar, peanut butter, coconut milk, oil, lemon juice, tomato paste, onion, ginger, garlic, salt, black pepper, ground coriander, chilli powder and turmeric. Then mix or blend until smooth. You end up with this delicious peanut satay sauce. Pour over half of the satay sauce and save the other half for serving. Give it a stir to coat all of the tofu in that lovely satay sauce. Now you can let it marinate in the fridge or move on to the next step, which is threading our satay tofu onto our skewers. Your hands are going to get messy doing this. Once you've prepared all of your skewers, they're ready to barbecue, grill or oven bake. I'm cooking mine on a rack in a hot oven. Meanwhile, chop some peanuts and cut a lime into wedges. The tofu satay skewers are cooked. To serve, stack the skewers, add the sauce on the side, the lime wedges, and then top with the chopped nuts. A great recipe to have at your next barbecue. Thanks for watching. To see another one of my videos, click here, or if you're new and haven't subscribed yet, click there.